We're going to look at creating branches within conversations when you create conversations on the Talk With Me app. By branches, we mean that different choices in your conversations lead to different conversation tangents. Much like when you communicate verbally and one topic leads to another based on what somebody has said. You'll have already seen our tutorials about creating conversations and creating choices in your conversations. If you haven't, please check them out before watching this. So we're going to enter some choice words, yes and no. If you create choice words in your conversation by putting commas between your choices, you will next be asked if you want to create branches of this conversation. So let's press done. And here we're asked if we want to create branches for this conversation. Today I'm going to press yes. On the left of the screen, you will see your conversation represented as it always is. Only now you will see that it is split into two branches, as each choice word will now be followed by its own conversation. If you created more choice words, you will see more branches here. You will see your first word highlighted. Make a conversation under this as you would create any conversation. So yes is highlighted. If you create more choices, you'll be asked again if you want these to branch. This is up to you, but for now I'm going to stick with 2 branches only, so I'm going to say no. Once you've created a branch under your first choice word, you can do the same under your other choice words. Return to them through pressing on the circles on the left of the screen, where the conversation branches out. You will now see the other words highlighted, and you can create a conversation here as well. So now if we look to the left of the screen, we can see that we have created a conversation which has 2 branches, and these branches follow in their own conversation. To see this in action, let's test.
Do you like sea animals? Do you like sea animals?
Let's select yes for this first go through.
Yes. Yes. What sea animals do you like? What sea animals do you like? Fish. Fish. Okay. Okay.
As you can see, we just went through the conversation where the first answer was yes, and that followed a conversation that made sense to that answer. If we were to test again.
Do you like sea animals? Do you like sea animals?
And this time select no.
No. No.
We would then have a question that makes sense to that answer.
Why don't you like sea animals? Why don't you like sea animals? They are scary. They are scary. Okay. Okay.
As you can see, you have now created a conversation where choice words take your conversation in different directions. Thanks for watching.